We got our express train tickets. We are going from Seoul to Myeongdong. Ate Vicky and I are resting. We are waiting for our train. Oh. Here's our ticket. We bought it online via Klook. And we paid 361 pesos for this. And this will take us expressway from Incheon to Myeongdong. Nasi ka? Bawal kumain dito, Ate Vicky. Ha? Bawal kumain dito. Yay! Ang sarap ng upuan. Vicky and I in Myeongdong now. We got lost a lot, but a lot of the Koreans were very helpful. They were always helping us. We are here, and this is the guest house we're staying in, and the owner is very welcoming. He told us we can use the kitchen, we can use all the condiments, everything. If you want to cook. So I asked him, how long are we staying here? Are we staying here for a month? Anyway, my gosh, we were really perspiring and we were asking questions all the time on how to get here. And finally, we're here. Show you, that's the toilet there. And this is the room. And it's good for 3, but we're just 2, so that's it. And we wanted the window a bit open. And there's an air conditioner, but it's seldom used. And there's a TV. And we're gonna go out to eat some noodles. And the owner said we should go there, but there's a long queue. Let me summarize our travel from Incheon Airport. Before we went on our trip, we already book our tickets via Klook. It's an app that you download and it cost us only 317 pesos each. And then we take the RX from Incheon International Airport and it gets you down at Seoul Station. And then you have to transfer to another line, so it's more than a 10-minute walk, transferring from one line to another. So it's from Incheon to Seoul Station, and then from Seoul, you have 2 stops to get to Myeongdong. And it's a lot of walk from RX to the subway line. It was good that we didn't have that many luggages. We only had our carry-on baggages, and it was okay for us to carry those 7 kgs of carry-on luggages. But if you have more than one and you have big luggages, I suggest at the Seoul Station you get off and just get a taxi from there. It's not far. It's gonna be cheap, maybe about 200 pesos plus to get to your hotel, or maybe 200 to 500. For watching, and I hope you will follow through with my travel vlog to Korea. Videos coming soon. Travels, gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.